what? Daddy promised a surprise package for you when you graduate.
Okay.
Here we go. This is it.
Daddy, this is huge. Daddy, this is huge.
Yeah, that's it.
Thank you so much, Daddy. Thank you.
Good. Good. Yes. You know what? Good. I am going somewhere, and Daddy will be back in a jiffy. When I come back, the celebration continues.
Yes! You're the best! Daddy, you're the best! You're the best, Daddy!
Woman, hop in, let me drop you off.
Yes, thank you so much, Daddy! Woo, 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 woo! Woo!
Mom, have you got an idea of what is happening outside? Daddy just got a new car for Amanda without getting mine. I'm not going to let this happen again. I won't let it happen.
Lina, what is it? Lina, what is it? Lina! Lina, what is wrong with you? What was that? Amanda! Not to worry, I will handle her. I think she has gone mad. I said I am going to handle it. She's my kid sister. Hey, shut the doors.
It's okay, my daughter.
It's not okay, Mom. It's not okay. Why does that hurt me this much, Mom? Why? What have I done to deserve such treatment from Dad, Mom? What that?
You've done nothing.
For months now, Dad has refused giving me pocket money. He no longer listens to my plea of money any longer. Everything is all about Amanda. If you don't do something about it, I'm going to do something very crazy. I'm going to do something very crazy.
Hey! I can do. Relax. I promise to take care of this particular one. I'll take care of it. Okay? Chief, what have we done to deserve this ill treatment?
What you have done? Seriously, look me in the face to ask me what you've done. What manner of woman are you? Eh? A woman that squanders millions of naira on frivolities. Yet, you have no personal source of income. Eh? You single-handedly liquidated 4 companies set up for you due to your extravagant lifestyle. Which one do I mention to lead the other?
Chief.
Don't call me. Your daughter followed your footsteps. As little as she is, she does not better than clubbing. Spending money on nothing, looking out for lecturers to sort out in school. I am sure if you are to be my sister or a close relation of mine, you wouldn't have advised me to keep someone who has given me no reason to believe I have a home as a wife.
I take an exception to that, Chief.
Amanda remains everything to me in this house. Until you and Lena change from your ways, there is no special treatment for you.
Kitties, take a look at this. Ain't they beautiful? Okay, I have never seen anyone as romantic as Dad. Let me tell you how it went. I woke up this morning only to see these beautiful clothes staring at me right on my bed with the inscription, "Surprise package for you, Amanda baby. Daddy loves you." But you know what? I think you should check out the...
How dare you touch me, you adopted thing from the slum? Gosh! Take this, Amanda. Take that, Amanda. Amanda this, Amanda that, Amanda everywhere. Are you the only person in this house? Are you? Jeez! How come you never knew your life history all along? Now you listen, you slow. You had better go look for who your parents are because I can't stand sharing my with you any longer. That's if you have one. Ah!
Gone wrong with Lena. She's completely lost it. We were out there, she started saying things to me that made her. You are no longer permitted to speak before me, you old digger. What did she say to you? And what did she not say to you? That was so hard for you to comprehend. That you're a bastard. Adopted thing from the slum. A zero. A nobody. A scumbag with no future, who derives joy in living where she did not sow. The earlier you realize you are a threat to this family and no longer welcome here, the better for you. No. Pick up your cool, Daddy. Pick up your cool. Oh, pick up. Daddy! Who am I? Who are my parents? Who is my father and who is my mother? need answers. Who am I? Was Lena not right? That I need answers, you have to tell me the truth. You need not lie to her out in this age. Tell her the truth. Tell her she was a nobody, adopted from the slum. Come on, darling, go ahead.
Shut the mouth, woman! What has come over you? Yes, but... Suggested this adoption.
What would you have me do? When you started complaining, coming up with silly notions about children, just a few years after our marriage.
Pray nothing happens to her.
What do I do? Oh my love, I'm so speechless, don't know what to say. That the love of my life has broken my heart.
Hello, are you okay?
What do you do back when you wake up? Find out that your body does not belong to you.
That's really past now. Adopted thing from this, a zero, a nobody. It's come back, it's come back. Put the guys joy. I should not so. The internet realized I'm no longer welcome again.
Mommy is telling us a story. Yes, a story that is going to make us laugh. Mommy, is
What are you doing here? How many times have I warned you to stay away from Mommy's? How many times? Oya, go home. This should be your first and last time I'll see you here. Go, Oya. Oya, everybody go. Don't go close to her again. Go, run! All of you. Go, stand up.
Why are you driving them away? Eh? I don't know her, no. Hey. Leave them alone. Eh?
Why do they call her Mercy? And why are you chasing the children away from her?
I am not surprised at your question because you're new here. People call her Mercy because she has been blind for years. How she came to live here still remains a mystery till date. The former occupants of this house all died of witchcraft. And from every indication, she is either a witch or she has something with them.
You are awake. I'm done. Calm down.
Where am I?
You are in my house. You ran into my car and lost consciousness. You're just waking up. You're just waking up now. If you listen to my advice, I'll tell you to take it easy no matter what the problem is.
Take me out of here.
What really happened?
Take me out of here!
Alright, calm down. Okay, I will. I will. Where is your house? I mean, where do you stay? Listen, I would really advise you should take it easy on you. You should take it easy with yourself, no matter what the problem is. Sorry. Don't touch me. Okay, so tell me, where is your house?
One thing I want you to understand is that Dad loves you. He loved you yesterday. He loves you today. And he will love you tomorrow. In fact, for eternity. You are my daughter. Nothing can change that.
The lie that started years ago stops today. And tends to continue again. Everything seems fake. Am I real?
Don't talk like that.
Want to believe
You're married. Amanda, please. Understand me, please.
Just go away! Just go away! Oh, nice.
Adopted! I need you to come wash my feet. And after that, you wash my clothes because they're all dirty. And then you go on errand for me. Let me at once. Hello? Am I not talking to someone? I see.
When my daughter Amanda was taken from the orphanage, but as a family friend. Ever since the ugly incident between her and her younger sister, which led to the discovery, she has been living strange. I've tried talking with her, but to no avail. Is there any way you could speak with her in a language she understands?
Chimamanda, my daughter.
Please sorry about it, please.
It's okay, Chief. I think this is gradually developing into something else. Chief, Amanda needs your love and care. Yes, that's all she needs from you. If not, it might go beyond this. Do all you can to serve her for grace, Chief. Please. I'm going to take Paddy now.
Please, I'm so sorry, please. This is embarrassing. This is embarrassing.
Daddy, don't tell me you just came to check on me. I'm fine. Daddy, I'm now a big girl.
Make sure your eyes are very close. Good. Another step. Yes, another step. Good. Final step now. Good. Make sure your eyes are firmly closed. Come over. You come in. Yes. Come in. Close the eyes very well. Good. You come in. Yes. Yes, come over, come over. Come over. Now stop. Don't open your eyes, don't open your eyes. Good. Now you can open your eyes. This is for you. Now take a look. Come on. It's your car. I'm proud of you, Miss. See that? This is for you. This is a limited edition. Yes.
Let me have the key.
Which key?
Come and have it now. Let me have the key.
Dean, you remember me? You ran into my car the other day.
Oh, you!
Yeah.
I remember.
So, what really happened?
Something I don't want to talk about.
Okay, it's okay. Please, can I at least have your number?
Not to strangers.
Sister? Yes. Oh, sorry, pardon my manners. What? Is that how she behaves?
She's just a shy type. Doesn't talk much about her. I heard you did it talking. You really like her.
Really?
Sure.
It's okay. It's okay.
Okay. Your number?
080 341 539 56.
I'll see you.
Sorry.
Come in.
Thank you.
So.
Thank you. So, where is your sister?
She's in the bedroom. She will soon join you. Just make yourself comfortable.
Okay.
get ourselves off this mess. We need to think. We need to just start thinking. My daddy could kill for this. He can tolerate anything, any other thing. But you see this?
Don't you have this pen? You have this.
I said stop talking and think. Think. Oh, Lina, just, I don't know what to do. Just think. Get started, do something, just start doing something. You need to leave here.
You have a visitor.
Visitor?
A man.
Oh, he has come.
Not really. He went into Amanda's room. When I was passing there, I heard some funny noises.
Nina.
They're still there.
In my house? You got to be kidding me. Let's go.
Daddy, welcome.
Thank you.
Where did you hide him?
My dad is going to kill me. My dad should find you here. My dad should not find you here. Just try. Oh, Lina, this is not fair. Oh! Go.
think you should try and free yourself. Make friends. Think less. It will help ease your mental stress.
Is that what you think of me? You think I'm mentally stressed?
No, that's not what I'm trying to say. No, that's not what you think. Who is Mickey?
Mickey.
Who's Mickey?
The guy the other day. The one Nina wanted to set me up with. We met at the beach one day and we got talking. He doesn't look harmful. Do you think I can make a friend with him?
Is there anything you see in him that is attracted to
You say you've got something to tell us? Our ears are itching? So, go ahead.
Yes, I've come to realize the importance of having a peaceful home. I've obviously not played the role of a good wife and mother all along. I want to use this opportunity to apologize to all that I've heard. Henceforth, I promise to make amends.
I mean, a cause for celebration. Let's celebrate. This is a great news. Yes. Come on. Come on. See? Yeah. That's good. Good. Yes. Yes. Come on. You see? I mean, this is a great reunion.
Mamis, my daughter is here. 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 My daughter is here.
It's okay, it's okay.
I've really missed your visit, my daughter.
And what did you miss?
A lot. A whole lot, my daughter. You don't ask the body what it is about the eye. You are my eye. Everybody around here think I'm evil, except you. Who will take me around like this? Who will cook for me? Who will tell me to change up that my clothes is dirty? Which one will I count? Which one will I love? Tell me, are you not afraid of what people might think seeing you around me?
What matters to me is the joy I derive when I'm with you. And the fact that you're always happy when I'm around you. So you see how I long for you to regain your sight.
I wish to see again my daughter. If only God will grant my prayer request, I will come and bribe your parents to make you my daughter.
You see what I'm talking about? One of those good qualities I love about you. Amidst sadness, you still find a way of cracking up jokes to cheer people around you up. I will need to get you some things, okay? Come this way.
Okay. What are they selling?
I'll get you some provisions, and then after that, you'll change into something better.
Please.
I really don't understand why you keep visiting this woman that you don't know from others, even when you know the stories surrounding her.
Leave me to worry about that.
Really? Please don't call on me when things go wrong. Yes.
Chimamanda, have you seen my gold necklace and my wrist bangle?
Not at all, Dad.
So, where could it be?
It's okay, my daughter. Don't let it get at you. I just want you to know that I'll always be there for you. How are you?
Very well, thank you.
Breakfast is ready. You can serve yourself. Add little salt in the food on the dining table for me. I noticed there's no salt in the food.
All right, Mom.
Thank you.
What are you doing, Amanda?
Let me see it. My word!
This is toxic. What are you doing with this chemical in my food?
I can't believe this.
That's what
Amanda! You want to poison my husband and I? Jeez!
Hello, Chief. Is everything all right? Chief, easy. Easy, okay? I will be with you soon. Just take everything easy. Yes, I will be there right away. In fact, I am on my way now. Yes. Okay.
Chimamanda, you are my daughter. So tell me what happened. What went wrong?
I didn't do it. You didn't do what? Now you call me a liar?
Chief, please take it easy.
I should take it easy with someone who tried poisoning me in my own house. What haven't I done for you? What did I do to you? I made sure I provided for you more than others.
Chief, please, I plead with you to calm down, okay? Please. Chimamanda, talk to me. Why did you do it? I didn't. I didn't do it. Why is everyone else? Why is nobody believing me? I didn't do it. I didn't do it.
Take it easy. Take it easy. Please, take it easy with yourself. Okay?
Are you really my friend?
Sure I am. Yeah. It's your stepmother and your sister again, right?
What is happening to me?
Nothing happened to you, okay?
I'll be fine, right?
Yes, everything will be fine.
Everything.
Yes, I promise you.
I've not seen that girl for the past 2 days.
This is getting worse by the day, Chief. I have been a counselor for years, taking care of children at the orphanage, and as well handled lots of adult business. Chief, I need you to understand that whenever this sort of things comes up, repeat itself over and over again, then something is seriously wrong somewhere and needs to be handled in here.
I can't take anything, Mrs. Nollywood. Definitely not at the expense of my life. My life is included.
What is it again?
Why do you want me to go home? I feel at home when with you.
You feel at home with me? But you just have to go. Your stepmother could be worried. They could be worried by now.
I don't want to go home. I don't want to go home. Please, I don't.
It's okay. It's okay. Stop it. Calm down. Calm down. It's okay. Please. Okay? I'm sorry. Listen, stop crying. Stop crying. Fine. You going home doesn't mean I will not see you again or you will not see me. It's okay. It's okay. Please stop.
Yeah, who is that? Hold on.
How did you get to know my house and what you want?
Can I list how to see it?
People like you don't have a place in my house, let alone to sit down.
I see. So that doctor nobody has poisoned your mind against me?
I asked you a very simple question. How did you get to know my house and what do you want?
Well, Lena baby always know her whereabouts wherever she goes. And as for what I want...
Excuse me.
What do you see in that girl from the slum that makes you to hang around her? Huh? Don't you have eyes to see that you took it for her? Come on, Nikki. Check me out. I got what you want, baby. Listen, boy. My father is the richest man in this town.
Hey, shut up! Get out of my house. Get out of my house.
Hello? Amanda? You're crying. What is it again? I thought you're back home. Oh. Your dad took your car from you and gave it to your stepsister? Oh, it's okay. Come on, it's alright. Just try and calm down, okay? You don't expect him to still show you 100% love after the poison incident. No, it's okay, it's alright. Just calm down, huh? It's alright. Take things easy, it's okay. Alright?
Actually, I'm sorry about the way I spoke to you the other day. I don't know what came over me. That's my car parked over there. Like I told you, my father is one of the richest men in this town. Just accept to be my man. You won't regret it, I promise you. I really like you. Please.
Hello, people! Look at this shameless lady asking me out, telling me to be her boyfriend. People, the what? Look at her, shameless. She's very, very shameless. Look at her. Look at her. Very shameless. She's asking me out. Shame! Look.
I swear you will regret this.
What is it, sir? Can you imagine that lady, that idiot, asking me to be her boyfriend in public? No, toasting me. Is that right? Look at, shameless. Come here. Are you right? See, is it okay?
I will do anything to make you happy. I've been meaning to tell you something. Ubah told me, and I observed it myself. There's this strange movement observed around the house. And the suspect happens to be a young man. Spotted kissing, romancing, and hugging Amanda in the public.
Oh, Amanda.
Yes, darling. Take a look at the coat. Honey, I think we need to watch out for this.
Honey?
Yes, sweet.
My bag.
What about your bag?
I couldn't find it. That bag contains huge sum of money. My international passport and other valuables.
Seriously don't get the meaning of this recent theft in this house. Have you checked Amanda's room?
I've done that.
Honey, do you remember what I told you concerning strange movement around the house?
Yes, I do. What are you insinuating?
Good day, Mr. Michael. From State CID. We have a search warrant to conduct search in your house.
Seriously, I don't understand. What for?
Mr. Donald here laid complaint concerning a missing bag containing huge amount of money, jewelry, his international passport, and some other documents.
I seriously, I don't.
May we?
Alright, fine. It's okay.
But I'm finding this.
How dare you?
He's innocent, Daddy. Innocent.
He's taking you.
I'm very sure there is a big song somewhere.
You're going to remain here till you regain your senses, if at all you will.
Jesus, you are the King of hosts, my life. Master Jesus, you are the King of hosts, my life. You are the pillar, you are the King of hosts, my life.
And so what is it?
Anyone seen my eye?
This your eye. And what does she do for you that I cannot do?
She used to take me around. She makes me forget my sorrows. And gives me hope that tomorrow will be better.
Then let me take you my eye.
Why has Amanda not been picking her calls? What could be possibly wrong with her?
She might even leave alone to retire and come down here and devour all of us. Can't you see she's no longer normal?
Right?
Please, my love. Please, for my sake. You've already known the stuff she's made of. All you need to do is stay away from her. But definitely not locking her up in the room. I'm so sorry for what I made you go through. I'm sorry I couldn't come to check up on you. The reason was because my dad locked me up. My stepdad. I'm sorry. I went to the police station and I was told you've been released.
I swear with my life.
No. You do not need to swear. I believe you. I believe you. You don't have to swear. I do believe you. Because I know it's a setup. Yes. My stepmother and sister are behind it.
I didn't tell you. Your stepsister has been harassing me for friendship. Yes. What are you thinking?
I feel like I'm becoming a burden to you.
No.
And I equally feel that all this are not ordinary.
No. Listen. We will conquer them. I have this feeling that we would have a better story tomorrow. It's okay. Everything will be fine. Everything will be fine.
Let me help you. I'm so sorry.
Sorry, it's hot.
I'm so sorry. I'm sorry.
What are you thinking? Amanda!
I'm just thinking of visiting the blind woman. It's been long I visited.
Are you okay? Same blind woman that people talk about?
Don't you get it? There is this feeling I have whenever I'm around such people. There is this joy. Oh, there is this joy that comes from my heart whenever I'm around them. But the thing is, each time I visit and go back home, I usually do face
another.
And it's still not obvious to you that this woman has a hand in your predicament. Huh? Maybe I should just let you be now.
Hey, my friend, please. Do not leave me. Do not leave me. Please stay with me. I can't stay alone. Please, I need you more than ever now. I need you now. I need you now. I can't stay without you.
Sorry, it's okay, alright? I'm here, it's okay. Please. It's okay, I'm here. I will not.
Lina, please! Lina! Jesus!
Lead my cause, O Lord, with them that strive with me. Fight against them that fight against me. Take hold of shield and buckler and stand up for my help. Draw out also the spear and stop the way against them that persecute me. Say unto my soul, I am thy salvation. Let them be confounded and put to the shame that seek after my soul. Let them be turned back and brought to confusion that devise my heart. Let them be as chaff before the wind, and let the angel of the Lord chase them.
Reading Psalm 35 for Lina, baby.
Lina!
Lina, you set a holy Bible ablaze. Lina. My father, father of the fatherless, I call upon thee. Oppose those who oppose me, Lord. Fight against those who fight against me. My heart is heavy. I am broken. Fight for my cause. Fight my cause, Father. Fight against those who fight against me. I
happened today in the absence?
Nothing. Just that the adopted child from the slum was praying against me with her Bible and I had to sit in her place.
Just that?
Just that. Are you okay, Mom?
I could just wake up and discover it was all a nightmare. Each day that comes by brings forth sadness and sorrows. Why didn't I listen? Why didn't I listen when I was told the blind woman is evil? My continuous association with her brought joy to my heart. But misfortunes around me. Little did I know that is the way they operate. Kill you with one hand and make you feel like the other hand is bringing life. Why didn't I listen to you? I didn't listen to you.
Sorry.
Greetings, my daughters. Please, I'm looking for my eye. Yes, I used to be blind. I stayed 2 poles away from the market. Mamis, yes, that's me. But I'm looking for somebody who was coming to the house then to assist me, to cook for me, to take me around. She was everything to me. She was my eye. I don't know, have you seen her?
Rita, I'm out of here. Rita, are you not coming with me?
That voice! There's something about that voice!
Rita! Showed you this place. What are you doing here? Speak!
All I ever want is to show appreciation to the one who took care of me when I was blind. See, I may not have gold or silver, but what I have I will give. A word of thanks and blessing. That's why I'm here.
Madam, I do not know. And I've never met you before, so please, leave.
Listen, I may be blind then, but my senses were. still are intact. I could recognize the voice of the one who made me believe that every day is not for sorrow. Tell me, my daughter, why do you avoid me? Why?
Madam, like I said earlier, I do not know you, and please, we have never met before. So please, take your evil blessing to whoever that wants it. Leave now! I said leave! Can everyone just let me be? Just let me be! Can everyone just leave me alone? Leave me alone! What is happening here?
Just leave me alone.
You? That woman is a threat. A threat to this family. A threat to you and I. Don't understand. Her existence is a threat to your existence and my existence in this family.
In that case, Amanda is a threat, since she was single.
That woman must go down. Who was that woman? That woman is a threat. A threat to this family. A threat to you and I.
Don't understand.
Her existence is a threat to your existence and my existence in this family.
In that case, Amanda is a threat, since she was single.
That woman must go down. That woman with you? Why was she here? What was she discussing with you? Where does she live?
I don't know.
What answer is that to? The who? The why? The where? The what?
All of the above.
Where does she live?
I do not know. You dead. What was your crime?
Who wants me dead?
My stepmother and her daughter want you dead by all means. Evil, I already know they are. Tell me, are you really evil like people say? Is this a case of evil against evil? Or evil against good? My stepmother and sister might want me dead anytime soon.
Pardon? Talk to me.
There's something you think I should know.
Not be enough. Now, my drugs are finished and I am in trouble. I need more money for my drugs. Please, I need more money.
Listen to me, Mr. Timothy. I am not in a right frame of mind now. You have to leave this compound now because I have no money for you.
No! You must give me money for my drugs, so else I will tell the world that I am the biological father of Lena and not her uncle as people think. My angel, I am your biological father. I am your biological father. Please, live with your mother to give me money for my drugs. The drugs are finished and I am in trouble. Talk to your mother. People, come on! People, come on!
Okay, now.
I will not agree.
What is it?
I will not agree.
You mean really telling me that you laid with that stinking old fool from the slum to be with me? Oh! Am I dreaming of something? Are you that cheap? Gosh, you're so cheap! Listen, I've got one father, and that is Chief Donald.
Father is not your father. Chief Donald Dike is not your father. Mr. Timothy Ibezimako is your biological father. You suck. This is no time to apportion blame to my daughter. We've got to move on. You see, I used to be a junk. And Mr. Timothy was my partner. He was actually doing well for himself before I got married to Chief Donald. After my marriage, he was still coming around. You know your father I wish to travel a lot. Trust me, girl. Whatever happened between Mr. Timothy and I was an accident.
What are you saying, Mom? You're driving me crazy. I can't stand to lose all this. I can't. What do you think would have happened if Daddy were to be around?
I think we need to strike at once. I don't think. I know. We've got a list of them in my black book. First, Cecilia, the woman that showed her ugly face the other day.
Second,
Mr. Timothy Ibezimako, your biological father.
Is there a third?
Maybe Amanda, your stepsister.
How do you intend to strike? I meant the truth. How do you intend to unravel it? Because the world needs to know the truth and the devil be put to shame.
I leave everything to the Almighty God. Let him take the lead. He alone knows why he has to get to this day. Firstly, I was thrown into a strange environment. I resorted to my blindness. I escaped through the environment. 2 months and 2 days back, I regained my sight. Maybe I would have taken the wrong step, or probably spoiled things in anger, if I was not blind after the whole incident. So, whatever God's plans are, will come to pass.
I still think you need to act fast. Because too many have gone to the world beyond in their sorrows. What is it?
This is obviously not a good one, Chief. For the past 1 month, Chimamanda has not set her feet in this house.
I'm totally confused myself. I've not been around, I've got almost times for my business. Not the same, I've gone to police to declare her missing.
I said it when I noticed her footsteps has changed. You said it.
I've got a feeling something bad has happened to her. Probably dead or something.
Woman, who are you? And I asked you again, who are you? What is this? Barbs!
Chief Donald. Clara, when we see. I guess I looked too strange to be convinced. My name is Cecilia Mogo.
Cecilia?
Yes.
You are
dead. Suppose that's what you want to say. She did all she could to make sure that she kills me. But whoever God stands for, you can never go against.
You obviously brought this upon yourself. I warned you. I warned you as a close friend. Leave Chief Donald from me in peace. He's not even your type. He is the only man that has caught my attention in recent time. But you paid deaf ears. You went ahead and started making marriage plans with me. You see, the stubborn fly the sea follows the corpse to the grave.
Did I not leave it for you, Clara?
Yes, you did. But that was a bit late. I discovered that he was actually in love with you. In as much as I was able to convince him with the picture I took you with a man naked in a hotel room. That you were a whore. I still got to leave no traces. I already fed him with the information that you were murdered in cold blood during one of your escapades with another man. Have you seen yet another reason
I've got to leave no traces. Your existence might pollute the air someday.
You know all that are not true, Lara. You drugged me.
Tell them that in your next word. I need you to be thrown into Ashima, the river of blindness. You have to remain blind, even in your next word. Take her away. Take her.
No, please. Lara, please, I beg you, please. No, please, please. Please, no. Leave my child, leave my baby. My baby,
She sent people after us to kill us. But here am I, breathing this beautiful air created by the Almighty God. I intentionally threw this like this because I know she would have spent the last drop of her blood to make sure that I go down. And we had it all worked out. Yes. I know this face.
My baby! Let's get my baby! My baby! My baby! Please, my baby! My baby!
She was the same woman I saw.
Where is my baby?
That was the same baby that was abducted 23 years ago by Chief Donald.
Chief.
Chimamanda here is your baby.
attempted murder of Cecilia and Amanda, and for the murder of Mr. Michael and Mr. Timothy Bezimago, the biological father of Lina.
Don't try to deny it, because you deserve no mercy. You ask us to do away with them because they are obstacle to you and your family. And you don't want Chindona to know that Mr. Timothy is the biological father of Lina. After working for you for years, and all you can tell us is peanuts.
Clara! Yes, I laid with Timothy to begot Lina. Since all you do is travel here and there, forgetting that I'm a woman. But I actually didn't ask them to kill him.
Mrs. Clara, we have got 1001 evidence to back up our facts. And I suggest you remain silent, or anything you do or say will be used as evidence.
Are you going to stand there and watch them take us away?
Baby girl, there's nothing I can do now.
What? Mom, you're such a coward. Let me believe your life is a bed of roses, contrary to what people think. Now one can actually dictate and have whatever one wants at any point in time. Oh my God, tell me that all the blackmail and plots against Amanda and Nikki are now in vain. Gosh, I hate to be honest.
Now move it!
No! I hate to be honest.
Mickey died for my cause. He died for my cause. Oh, Mickey, you didn't live to see today. May your soul rest in perfect peace. I was rescued by a good Samaritan. If not, I would have equally been dead by now. God of Abraham, Isaac, and Jacob, I thank you for this day. May your name be blessed both now and forever. Thank you, Jesus. Thank you, Jesus.